Ano po nag-udyok po sa inyo na maghain po ng disbarment case laban po sa kanya?
Eto, gusto ko kasing subukan ang astig ng Supreme Court. Kasi ako, sinuspindi nila agad-agad nang walang due process. Basta sinuspindi lang. They did not even ask for my explanation. Tapos pinablish pa nila. And then after a year, on the day of my appointment, binabaan nila ako ng disbarment just to embarrass President Bongbong Marcos and me. Tapos, ito pa, yung sinasabi nilang ground for my disbarment, isang kaso na dinismiss ng prosecution service because walang proof na ako yung nag-upload ng video against Raisa Robles. Walang certification ang CIDG, Cybercrime Division, which is a requirement for filing such kind of cases, na ako ang nag-upload noon. And yet, the Supreme Court, dahil anti-Marcos kasi ang Supreme Court, you remember his petition for protest, hindi naman ni-rule out ng Supreme Court, even after 6 years. Anti-Marcos kasi yung Supreme Court
Ang composition ng Supreme Court ngayon, si Leonen na lamang, Justice Leonen and Justice Caguiwa,
ang naiwan?
Yes.
ang Aquino appointed, and the rest, Duterte appointed,
Duterte
correct?
appointees.
So I think 2025 pa magkakaroon ng pagkakataon si Marcos na mag-appoint.
Pat and Ali. Isipin mo, si Sara Duterte, when she was the mayor of Davao, pinagsusuntok niya yung sheriff, who is an officer of the court, who is an officer of the Supreme Court. Pinagsusuntok niya. When this fellow was only implementing an order of the court.
Yes.
And yet, the Supreme Court did not even bother to sanction her.
So may
Ganun
naghain
sila.
ng disbarment noon, di ba?
Oo.
Oo, yun talaga, biro mo yun, physical injury yun. And that guy was only implementing an order. Mabuti sana kung nakikipag-inuman lang yung tao doon sa lugar. Hindi. He was implementing a valid order of the court. And yet, pinagsusuntok niya. At etong Supreme Court, baliwala lang. Si Laila de Lima, she defied an order of the Supreme Court when the Supreme Court issued a PRO to prevent the DOJ from stopping Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, from seeking medical treatment abroad. And yet, hindi naman siya ginalaw ng Supreme Court. Laila de Lima admitted before the whole world that she was having an illicit, immoral, illegal affair with her married driver. Immoral. Ang sabi ng Supreme Court sa akin, immoral daw ako dahil daw maminura ko raw si Raisa Robles. And yet, mas immoral si Laila de Lima, hindi man lang nila kinanti. Another point, si Chel Jokno, in a hearing for petition of kalikasan, right inside the halls of the Supreme Court, nagsumiti siya ng fake, forged documents. And yet, the Supreme Court did not even bother to suspend him or disbar him. Pero si Larry Gadon, meron lang daw video na in-upload na hindi naman ako nag-video. It was proven na hindi ako nag-upload.
No, regardless kung sino nag-upload. Secretary, hindi naman kung sino ang nag-upload ang issue dito. Ang issue was were your misogynistic, sexist, abusive, repeated, intemperate language against it, regardless of who uploaded it, di ba?
Bakit? For example, tingnan mo itong si Laila de Lima, si Sara Duterte, itong si Chel Jokno. These are worst cases.
So parang you're saying ikaw yung siningle out.
Siningle out. Kasi bias siya. Anti-Marcos kasi yung Supreme Court.
So, okay. So going back to the so it is a test on the parang judgment of the Supreme Court kung if they will act on your petition.
The fairness and objectivity of the Supreme Court.
Okay. So, yung sa inyo po, disbarment, yun lang hubang habol ninyo laban po kay VP Sara? Ano pa yung nyo? Are you also going to try to have her impeached?
Well, yung impeachment kasi, nagsalita na dyan yung some members of the Congress na ipapa-impeach nila. So, hindi na ako manghihimasok nun, hindi na ako makikialam. Let them do it by themselves. Anyway, siguradong 100% sure na may impeach siya. Take it from me. Kaya sanay ako dyan sa impeachment
Bakit isa pa lang naman na ma-impeach siya, di ba? Si si former President Erap. Bakit sanay na po kayo?
Pero ako, 8 months ako dyan sa Congress sa pagpa-impeach kay former SC
Era.
Justice
Corona.
Lourdes Sereno.
Ah,
And not only that, inunahan lang kami ng Supreme Court na ideklara na invalid yung appointment niya.
Sino po? Kanina?
Pero Calida yun, di ba,
na
nagsampa,
the
Soljen?
impeachment was supposed to be voted
Oh.
in a few days.
Oh.
Ano, Secretary, tatanong ko sa iyo, ang parusang disbarment, kapag na-disbar, kayo, speaking from a personal
Experience.
point of view,
Oo.
kanina pinag-uusapan namin ni Pat P, di ba, napakasakit na nag-pre-law ka,
Nag-aral ka, siyam na taon.
nagkurso ka ng law, nag-review ka for the bar, pinasa mo yung
Oo,
bar.
yun na nga eh. Ang matindi dyan, sinuspindi muna ako ng 1 year. Hindi pa ba enough yun? Pagkatapos dinisbar ako on the day of my appointment just to embarrass me. And not only that, napakaraming mga lawyers dyan na nagnakaw ng property ng clients. Maraming mga lawyers dyan na
Nangalunya.
winalangya yung kano. Pero hindi naman nila ginagalaw.
Oo. Ay, yung pagka-disbar po sa inyo, wala na kumbaga in the words of VP Sara, point of no return na yan, hindi pwedeng i-apila ba yan sa Court of Appeals para maging abogado
cannot
ulit kayo?
Hindi naman.
na?
You cannot
Wala
naman
na?
yan eh.
Hindi na? Wala na.
After 2 years,
Oo,
pwede naman
oo.
ako motion for recall. In fact, naka-motion for
motion for recall
reconsideration
pala.
pa ako until now.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.